find my way to heaven. When I awoke, I spit that on a necklace. I told God I'll be back in a second. Man, it's so hard not to act reckless. To whom much is given, much is tested. Get arrested, guess until he get the message. I feel the pressure under more scrutiny. And what I do, act more stupidly. Bought more jewelry, more Louis V. My mama couldn't get through to me. The drama, people suing me. I'm on TV talking like it's just you and me. I'm just saying how I feel, man. I ain't one of the Cosby's, I ain't go to Hill, man. I guess the money should've changed them. I guess I should've forgot where I came from. Let up the suicide doors. This is my life, homie, you decide yours. I know that Jesus died for us, but I couldn't tell you who the side was. So I parallel double park that motherfucker sideways. You can't tell me nothing. 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 Old folks talking about back in my day, but homie, this is my day. Class started 2 hours ago. Oh, am I late? No, I already graduated. And you can live through anything if magic made it. They say I talk with so much emphasis. Ooh, they so sensitive. Don't ever fix your lips like collagen to say something where you gon' end up apologizing. Let me know if it's a problem then. Alright, man, holla then.
Part of me, I had to go and find myself on an open road. By the time I woke up in Mexico, I was wasting time chasing gold. I could blame it all on society for telling me what I'm supposed to be. I should get a job, settle down, but instead I live my life out loud. I was chasing warm tequila with my fears and my regrets, screaming out loud, hallelujah, for the life I ain't lived yet. And many years from now, when I look back at how I misbehaved, I'll have love inside my heart and flowers on my grave. I'll be like, I live the fuck out of my life. If you're gon' do it right. I live the fuck out of my life. The fuck out of my life. The fuck out of my life. I put my thumb out and headed west, 'cause I felt this yearning in my chest. And my father always said it best: burn the world down till there's nothing